Hi everyone, it's Mark from Brave Auto International in Japan. I'm looking at today a 1997 Nissan Vanette 2.2 litre diesel, 4-wheel drive with a 5-speed, high-low range. This van, normally I don't speak on the videos except just during the test drives, but with this van here I thought it's easier to run through things with it. Or this truck, if you want to call it. Okay, so I'll just go around it a bit because it's got a bit of a surprise with it. So it's kind of like you're buying a business as well as a truck. Okay, we'll have a look inside. Okay, it needs a bit of a clean inside. It's not the cleanest one in the world. Just probably a Sunday afternoon with your toothbrush and just clean all the cracks and crannies and you'll be alright. It's got electric mirrors, or electric mirror on that side. Okay, I'll jump in and fire it up because I need to run it for a little while to show you something. Okay, so there's your dash, obviously. Okay, headlights, wipers with intermission, heater, cigarette lighter, choke or cruise control, whichever way you want to call it, radio, refrigerator, okay, which actually does work, which I'm going to get going in a second. Okay, so you've got high 4, low 4, neutral, so you can actually tow this vehicle. High 2, and you've got electric windows. Okay, you've got a couple of screw holes here. All the hood lining's good, it's not saggy on it. The seats are all good as well. Okay, we'll fire it up. So it starts with one fire. It's obviously cold as well, so I haven't warmed it up or anything before this. Okay. Now on the refrigerator here, see this white stuff, this is actually, it peels off, so just peel the rest of it off if you want. Okay, it goes to -5, it actually goes more than that. Excuse me. So we'll start it off. Okay, so it's 14 at the moment inside. Okay, we'll leave that running and hopefully you can hear me outside running. I'll show you electric windows, electric mirror. See? Cool. For a truck. Okay, and electric windows. Down. Okay. And this side. Down. You even got the rain visors there on the door. Okay. Before we close that up, it's got a bit of wearing in here. This is where you slide down all the time. Okay, and obviously slide in through here. Still even got the factory, this is actually a sticker. Factory delivery sticker. Okay, there's your tyre stuff there. Okay, I'll come around this side. Okay, I've already unlatched this side. So, unlash here, okay, unlash there. Okay, the handle here has just got a little bit of surface rust on it. Okay, so open it up. So it's got automatic, I suppose you call them automatic. These here, so you just swing it open. and it will stay up. It's actually a rain thing as well, and I'm just under 5'8", and I'm not banging my head on it, maybe a little bit at the edge here, but you can actually make it go higher if you want to. Okay, what you do is you change in here to make it higher. Okay, fold this down. It's got chains here, stops it going all the way down, so it's like a counter. Okay, and you can actually adjust it as well, further down or further up. Okay, it's a food, what it is, it's a food delivery van. So for like events and that, you could have your cold stuff in here, okay, which they probably had sushi. Okay, and you can have an oven or something in here if you wanted to, or whatever, and there's some stuff on the other side as well. So it's for going to events like I don't know, motor racing events, and anywhere you need to go that's 4-wheel drive, because you'll get there. Okay, so we're sitting here at, you can see it, just above 10. Okay, these open here, open there. Okay, back that way, or you can open them this way. Okay. It's quite big and clean as well. Okay, we'll close that back up and just let it cool. Okay, up here you've got a light switch. Okay. So it lights up in here, and there, as well as you turn that light there on. See, there's a light here as well. It's not doing anything. Okay. So we'll leave that to run. We'll come around the back. Okay, same thing with this handle here. It's just surface rust. Okay, it's a bit hard doing this and holding a camera. Same again with that, locks automatically on the things. Okay, do that. Oop, now, spring loaded. Okay, once again you can adjust how far you want there to go down. This is just sitting in here, so you can throw it away, do what you want with it, put something else in here, or whatever. Okay. So it's quite a good bit of gear. Okay, now on this side, we've got sliding doors. Everything slides and works as it should. So on this side we have some shelves, so you'd have in here maybe, oop, coming back the other way now. Okay, you've got shelves here. Okay. So in here you probably put, I don't know, packs of chips or something, I don't know. Here you got a thing for washing your hands, and a sink so it catches its water itself. And then what you can do is empty it here. Okay? So when you get away from wherever it is you are, you can empty it. So that's your water tank. So just let the door come back down. Got jamming that. Okay. Bring the door back up. Lock it. So a good bit of gear. We'll just check to see what the temperature's getting to. Well, on here it's now, you can see that, 9. And it's 9 in here as well. Okay. What I'll do is I'll show you the faults with it. And we'll just close this, because one of them's here. Okay, you just got a little bit of surface rust starting here and here. Okay, and you've got a little bit under here as well. That's what that staining is. Just a little bit starting on there. Okay, that back down. Okay. bit of a scuff on the paint there. Bit of chipping on the edge of the door. Now here you've got a bit of a scuff that's been touched up, and this here, this isn't actually the body that's rusty, it's something that's screwed on, and it's the bracket that's rusty. Okay, and it's got it on the other side as well. Okay, you've got a bit of a scuff there on the corner of the bumper. Bit of a dent and scuffing here. Bit of a touch up there. And same on this side, touch up. Okay, and scuff there. And the bumper's a little bit out of line, just see? Okay. On the front here you've got some rock chips that have just got a little bit surfacey rust on them. Okay, I wouldn't worry about those too much, just give them a polish and they'll probably clean that up. Okay, that's what I was saying about the other side. Okay. Just a bit of, same again, paint chips. Up under here you've got a bit of surface rust. Okay, it's hard. Okay, no holes it's not through. And there was a bit there as well, just a little bit surface there. And then on this rear guard, you've got the same thing. Okay, there and there. And lastly, it's got different wheels, okay, so different from front to back, and smaller at the back. Now there's only one rim, one spare. The other spare is missing. Okay, now I haven't bothered about getting one or anything like that, and I'm probably not going to, because what I'd actually probably do is I would change the wheels once you get it into your country. Put single wheels on it, so a little bit wider, something like that. That's what I would do. Or you can leave it as it is. So yeah. So we'll see what it's getting down to now. Yep. You can see there or not. Down to 6 maybe? 7. So it's on 7 on there. I don't know what defrost does. Defrost, I suppose. So what it does, it takes probably half an hour for it to get to temperature, to the -5, and then once you get it down, it actually holds it for quite a while.